nag-asawa, nagkaroon ng family and everything. Pero our family understands yung dynamics ng our work or how we play. Kasama namin sila ngayon, hanggang may sasama namin. We learn to work with each other's time.
Pero ang constant siguro sabihin ko from the start is good management, no? Kasi sila yung nag-aayos.
Yes.
Bihira ang management like Superstar na nakakaintindi, hindi naka-template na kailangan ang banda ganito lang, ganito. So they consider ano yung klaseng banda, ano bang gusto namin. So sila yung nag-a-adjust kung ano yung available na ibigay namin. Pero committed kami to give all out. No?
You need a great team behind you.
I also wanted to say, acknowledge also, yung work ethic ng banda. Kasi ano kami, yung parang pag sinabi na ganito yung gagawin, committed din talaga kami. Very important ang work ethic with any industry that you go to. And then we see those who are actually bigger and more popular than us, like mga bandang Sandwich, ganyan. Rocky and Edgar. Personally, very close kami sa kanila and we see how they work together. Pag sinabing ganitong oras ang call time, ganitong oras sa sample sa stage, dapat sa airport, nandito na record kayo, ganito, nag-practice. It's very inspiring for us. So we're really hoping na ganun din, hopefully maka-inspire din kami ng mga younger generations of musicians.